Once upon a time in a vibrant neighborhood, there lived a cheerful Muslim girl named Aisha and a spirited Muslim boy named Amir. Both were best friends, and they eagerly awaited the arrival of Eid Adhar, one of the most important festivals in their faith. As the day approached, the excitement in the air was palpable. Aisha's family and Amir's family had been preparing for the celebration for weeks. Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, commemorates the willingness of Prophet Abraham, to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. Instead, God provided a ram to sacrifice, and this act of faith is remembered every year by Muslims around the world. On the morning of Eid, Aisha and Amir woke up early, putting on their new clothes that sparkled in the morning sun. Aisha wore a beautiful green dress adorned with golden embroidery, while Amir donned a fresh white kurta. They went to the mosque with their families to perform the special Eid prayer. The atmosphere was filled with joy and unity as families gathered, greeting each other with Eid Mubarak. After the prayers, they headed back home, where the real celebration began. Aisha's mother had prepared a delicious feast, with aromatic dishes like biryani, kebabs, and sweet treats like baklava and kunafa. Their families sat together, sharing stories and laughter, while the aroma of food filled the air. Aisha and Amir couldn't contain their excitement for the next part of the celebration, the act of qurbani or sacrifice. Both families had decided to donate a sheep for the ritual. After the sacrifice, the meat would be distributed among family, friends, and those in need, sharing the blessings of Eid with everyone. As they watched, Aisha's father explained, "This act reminds us of the importance of charity and looking after others. It teaches us gratitude for what we have." Later in the afternoon, Aisha and Amir joined their friends in the neighborhood park. They played games, shared sweets, and exchanged small gifts. The laughter of children filled the air, echoing the spirit of the occasion. As the sun began to set, they gathered around a large table, enjoying a feast together under the glowing lights that adorned the park. Aisha spoke up, "Eid is not just a celebration. It's a reminder of our faith and the importance of being together as a community." Amir nodded, adding, "And it's our chance to help those who might not have as much. That's what makes Eid special." As the day came to a close, Aisha and Amir felt grateful for their families, their friends, and their shared traditions. Eid al-Adha was more than just a celebration. It was a time of reflection, gratitude, and togetherness. With hearts full of joy, they looked forward to many more Eids spent in happiness and faith. And so, they continued to cherish the values of kindness, compassion, and family throughout the year, eagerly awaiting the next celebration together.